In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a file to grayscale in Adobe Acrobat Pro Web using Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and load your file inside Adobe Acrobat Pro Web. Make sure the document is fully open before moving on, so the editing and print tools are available and responsive. If the file takes a moment to load, just wait until everything on the page is stable. This helps avoid clicking into the wrong menu too early. Once your file is open, look for the All Tools option in the Acrobat interface. Click that to open the full list of available features. Adobe places many advanced functions inside this section, so if you do not immediately see what you need on the main screen, this is the right place to go. From there, choose Use Print Production. This area includes tools designed for preparing documents for output, including color management options. After print production opens, find and select the Convert Colors Management dashboard link. This is the control panel that lets you adjust how color information is handled throughout the document. If your goal is to make the entire file monochrome or easier to print in black and white, this is the most important section of the process. Take a second to confirm you are in the correct dashboard before changing any settings. Next, change the destination color space profile to a monochrome grayscale setting. This tells Acrobat to remap the colors in your file into shades of gray instead of keeping the original color values. Be careful to choose a true grayscale or monochrome profile, depending on the exact wording shown in your version of Acrobat. The idea is to make the output consistent across the whole document, which is especially useful for printing, archiving, or creating a cleaner black and white version of the file. Once that setting is in place, click the Convert Activation button. Acrobat will then process the document and apply the grayscale conversion based on the profile you selected. Give it a moment to finish, especially if the file has many pages or complex graphics. After the conversion is complete, review the document visually to make sure the results look the way you expect. Some images and colored elements may appear lighter or darker once converted, so a quick check is always a good habit. That's it. Your file has now been converted to grayscale inside Adobe Acrobat Pro Web through Chrome.